What's happening, RecTech family? We are doing a quick video of a side for you. This is awesome recipe. I got to give credit to Sean Carnes. He actually turned me on to this, and it's a pretty simple recipe, but it was incredible. What you want to do is take a sweet potato, and you want to cut it into small fries, and then it's just olive oil and honey rib rub. And we're doing a couple burger recipes. We're doing a salmon burger today. You can check that recipe out on YouTube. And we are making this as a side, but it goes great with any sandwich, all kinds of things. It doesn't go good, Jody pointed out, with spaghetti.
Pasta, cheesecake.
Pasta or cheesecake. But other than that, it's a home run all day long. So all you want to do is toss it with some
olive oil.
Olive oil,
That's
like
the
that.
word. That's the word you're looking for.
You want to liberally hit it with our honey rib rub, or your favorite barbecue seasoning. Basically, you want some brown sugar and some sweet heat kind of thing going on here. So you've had some brown sugar. If you didn't have our honey rib rub, some brown sugar and some chili powder maybe, some seasoned salt.
Front row master blend would be good on here. Front row master blend.
But this honey rib rub.
Oh, it's the best.
It's ridiculous. If you hadn't checked that, tried our spices, you got to go to rectechgrills.com and check them out. So we got the RecTech 700 turned up to, with that wide pellet Wi-Fi controller turned up to full. So we're going to get north of 500 degrees, put these on the grill mat. That's also available at the website. And we're going to grill them and try to get a little bit of crispiness on there. We're probably going to go about 20 minutes on these guys. Put them on the RecTech and then pull them off and eat them with that awesome salmon burger. So we'll see you at the RecTech. All right, so very easy recipe. We made a little dipping sauce for these sweet potato fries, a little aioli here. It's mayo. We add some sriracha, some honey rib rub, and a little bit of Dijon mustard.
Dijon?
Check it out, man. We also did some straw fries for another recipe. You can check
Really
that
not
video
straw
out.
fries. We kind of got half-cut onion rings is the way we
Onion
ended
rings.
up with. Yeah.
Man, these are delicious. Check it out.
That's really good sauce.
These are going with our salmon patties. Check that recipe out. Visit us on all social media. Visit rectechgrills.com. Take care, and we'll see you at the RecTech.